I know. I would have put it on, but I ain't got my thing, have I? I thought I left it in here. I've got two of them, but there's nothing, is there? And there's nothing here either. So you'll have to go in here. And this is all a bloody mess. Because it looks like I've beaten it up. It's all over the place. So God knows if we're going to get this straight. Actually, I could change it, couldn't I? I don't know why I should piss around with it. Something to do, I suppose. Something to do. There. You're right in my line of sight there. That's exactly the height of my eyes. How about that then? Who said that? No, we don't want to go there, do we? Gosh, never been so high up in the world, have you? That's not very good. There's only one of those, so that's empty. So what we doing today? And that was bloody empty. Got one down. Oh, look! There are scissors and there's some glasses in there. More to share. That's what it says. I got nobody to share with. Oh. Yeah. I'll have one of these for ages, not that I want one. Gone off them, didn't I? So what are we doing today? I'm going to do a repeat of the other day. Just something to do. Not that I need to go shopping there, but my freezers are empty. Well, sort of. It's supposed to be brightening up. There's a bit of blue sky over there. My pigeons, I've only got one pigeon here, and I've fed them. Don't know what's going on. I'd do the windscreen, but it's clean. That's clean. What you'll look like. You've never been that high up. You've been always down here. Sport mode. I don't know about my tyres, so we might have a long run round actually. My tyre warning comes on. Here's my blowing exhaust. My map, that won't go to 3D. It's early in the day. It's only just gone midday. Got up early, didn't I? There's blue sky up there, and because you're not POV, you can't see it. I've got another action cam. That's not the problem. I should put the thing actually. Did I get up to say it then? Guess what I watched on telly only for about 15 minutes? Susie and the Banshees. Susie and the Banshees from the 80s, 30 years ago. God, it was fun. It was fun. And I thought, do you know what I'm going to do? Tomorrow I'm going to go in Orange and play Susie and the Banshees. Well, I might. God, it's sad. Excuse me. Now you decided to turn right, are you? Go on then. Bollocks. You've only got one brake light I can make. Sunshine. We'll have to go for a drive. Lovely bit of sun. You're riding on your clutch there, you know that. Got a crane lorry coming. Crane lorry, look, crane lorry. Big crane lorry. It's got his flashers going. It's a little crane lorry. They really did overdo the synthetic sound inside here. Lower gears, lower speeds, and it sounds like you're at Le Mans or something. It's just ridiculous. So it's down to third. Right. I'm 33 miles an hour, and this it sounds like. I know. Stop moaning. I'm moaning again. Am I going to moan again? Yeah, I am. Look. Could I tuck it in the corner there? I could. Got to give it a go. Try and park it down here. It's always fun parking here. Stupid fucking car park. It's so tiny. You can't. This. I mean, it's like, fuck it. I know what I'll do. I know what I'll do. No, I'm not going to park there. I'm going to park here. Yeah, there we go. Delightful part of town, this. Absolutely wonderful. It's where you aspire to when you get out of prison. Shame I shouldn't say that. Oh, I should have brought my camera too. Right, see you in a minute.